Howdy folks, you guys want to find some cows with me? Let's go for a ride. We're here. Looks good. Yeah, be quick when everything's wet. Otherwise, you're gonna get your eyeballs clanging together. Nothing over there. On the back end of the orchard. There we go. Oh, there they are. Hey fellers. Hey Becky. Hey Jennings. Oh yeah, look what I got. I got something for you. Carrie. Hey Carrie. Got something for you. Look at that. Hey Jennings. Cow num nums. Hey Carrie. Val. Carrie. Hey, all right. Come on now. Okay, here. How about banana? You guys like a banana? Here. Gosh, you guys. You act like you haven't eaten in a week. You want more banana? Well, hey, Isabel. Yeah. You want a banana too? You guys stop pushing me. Oh, you pig. Gosh. All right. Waylon, he wants some. Hey Earl. Hey Sylvester. Oh gosh, you're drooling. Earl, you don't want any? Here. Oh, Becky, I gotta get Becky some. Hey, that's my arm, not an apple. Jennings is a young bull. No, gosh, I gotta give Becky some. Here, Becky. You guys are just nuts. Yeah, act like I haven't fed you guys in a while. Ouch! Stop it. Gosh, you pushy. That's my hind end. I need to see if Earl wants one here. Earl, he doesn't want any of this action. Here, Earl. It's an apple. Sylvester. That's it. I don't have any more. You ain't getting that bucket. I don't have too many of these. Dang it. All right. Yes. Behave. All right. Becky, I got no more. Hey, see Carrie. See Carrie. Sylvester, you are just, that's it. Good, Carrie. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. You're a good cow. And there's Isabel. Yeah, I'll bring some more. I'll be back out here tomorrow. Yeah, we'll see ya. You guys have fun. Should we go walk? Check that pond out, huh? As long as I'm down here. I don't know if I ain't gonna be able to get there from here. All right, well, we'll see y'all. Sometimes it's kind of a handful feeding them guys. Sometimes they have more interest in them than other times, you know, the apples. I wasn't, quite honestly, I didn't think they were going to be too interested in the bananas, or in the banana either. That's why I only brought one. Because the other day I gave them a banana. They didn't care for it much. All right, you take care. We'll see you.